Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together in an in-depth tutorial on how to create a free account with Gen-2 Runway, the cutting-edge platform that's revolutionizing content creation. With Gen-2 Runway, you can effortlessly transform static images into dynamic videos, opening up a new possibilities for art, entertainment, and human creativity. So, let's dive right into it. Let's kickstart your Runway ML journey. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to the official Runway ML website located at runwayml.com. Once you have landed on the homepage, your next step is to click on the inviting Try Runway for Free button. Upon doing so, you will encounter several sign-up options to choose from. You can opt for a hassle-free sign-up via Google, Apple, or the more traditional email method. For this demonstration, I'll be walking you through the process using my Google account. There is also an option to subscribe for updates, but I will skip that for now, given the numerous emails I already manage. After all, our focus today is on obtaining a free account. So, without further ado, click on Try for Free to embark on your creative journey with Runway ML. And there you have it. Behold your Runway ML dashboard in all its glory. Before we dive into the creative wonders that await, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the plethora of tools conveniently located on the left side of your screen. This is your creative arsenal brimming with options to explore. Here, you can effortlessly edit videos, craft the perfect audio experience, weave in captivating subtitles, venture into the mesmerizing realm of 3D design, embark on AI training endeavors, and much, much more. It is a playground of possibilities, limited only by your imagination and artistic aspirations. Beyond Gen-2, the Runway ML platform unveils a wealth of additional tools, each ready to unlock a realm of creative potential. Here, you will discover Gen 1, RB, text-to-image, much like the enigmatic Mid-Journey, along with the intriguing world of image-to-image transformations. And if you are feeling adventurous, there's even the option to embark on the journey of training your very own generator. As you delve into the world of Runway ML, you will discover a boundless realms of artistic potential at your fingertips. Whether you are a seasoned creator or just beginning your creative journey, this dashboard empowers you to bring your visions to life in ways you never thought possible. So, embrace the tools, experiment with the features, and let your creativity soar. Before you dive in, make sure not to overlook the tutorial section. It is a veritable treasured chest of knowledge, offering invaluable insights and tips to help you make the most of your creative endeavors within the Runway ML ecosystem. Here, you can see some mesmerizing examples of images brought to life using Runway ML's magic. It is truly incredible what you can achieve with this platform. And now, since you have your free account, you are all set to embark on your creative journey. Turn images into captivating videos and watch them come to life. If you have found this tutorial helpful, please consider showing your support by giving it a like and sharing it with your friends. We value your feedback and would love to hear about your experiences. So feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to stay updated with our upcoming content. We hope that the video has provided you with the essential knowledge to kickstart your creative journey with Gen-2 Runway. Your creative possibilities are boundless, and we cannot wait to witness the amazing projects you will bring to life. Stay tuned for our next video where we will dive even deeper into the captivating world of how to turn images into videos with Gen-2 Runway. And your presence today has been greatly appreciated, and we are already looking forward to our new encounter in the upcoming video. Until then, thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see you on our next video.